Hello, my name is Brian Carrera, and I'm here to present my project number 2. On exercise number 1, we implemented the apply number letter settings function. We modified the game board with the user request of the letter, but it doesn't get the right value of words from the array. With if-let, which unwraps the value in case of not accessing the code nodes and modify to something preventing from the app to crash. So this is what it does, is just change the number of letters to any of the user requested, but it doesn't get actually the word amount. So if we choose 7, it's just gonna give us a less than that, and when we try to complete it, the app is gonna crash. And the exercise number 2, we did the same thing, but for the guesses, the number of guesses, and it's gonna be the same thing. We don't get the right word from the arrays. We still need to implement that in the next exercise, which we get these for the apply number guesses settings with the if-let number guesses, and the get settings, instead of doing the number letter keys like we did in the previous exercise number 1, we implemented number guess keys. Now exercise number 3, we get the settings applications. We can change the word theme in case the right one, and also we get the right value for each number of letters. So just like this one, we want to implement, it's not gonna crash. If we move it to 4, it won't crash either. And the exercise number 4 is gonna be an Eliem. I'm gonna use a boolean to check if it's true or not, or false. And what this does is it's gonna check every time we finish a row. If we haven't gotten the correct word, it's gonna change a new word to the next guess. And then we added the reset button, which I did this for the previous exercise. After I finished and submitted it, I was playing around, and I got the reset button. Well, I got the color green because I was just trying to do something else. And what we did, we just, since y'all already gave us the whole functions over here, we went to view controllers. We applied the private function to reset it, and what I did, we just copy from the right button settings. I just copied these and implemented over here, and I just put the same thing but with the left button, and just change the name to reset. And over here, just change any colors, and that was about it. Thank you so much.